Hi everyone, I just got me a new project. It's a 1970 Camaro. Got it from a guy that had it for over 25 years. He had it since he was in high school. So I'll be starting this project probably this week. Today is Sunday. I stop at the car wash, power wash it a little bit, just get all the dirt, oil off before I brought it to the garage. So it's a 350. This car, when he had it, used to be red. Original color, that citrus green, metallic, I believe is the name. And I'll be working on this pretty soon, and I'm gonna need y'all's help because I don't know too much about them. My first project ever, and hopefully I'll get it started pretty soon. I'm gonna need y'all's help. I don't know too much, like I said, and subscribe so y'all can give me advice on it, what I need to do, where to start, what color to I go with. I'll probably go back to the original color. I'm not sure yet. And it's a 3-speed manual. It got rust over there. A little bit of rust there too. This one just probably surface rust. Now the one on the back is pretty bad. So I'll be buying those new. The rear seat looks to be pretty good. I'm gonna start cleaning it. Go from there. Like I said, it's a 70. I believe the 70 came with a headrest, and 71, 72, and 73 came with this higher. But I'm not sure. I believe so. So I'll be working on the garage with this car a couple hours during the week, and hopefully in the weekend too, if the wife lets me. But yeah, let me know what y'all think about it. What should I do? What should I start doing first? Need to get a battery. Let's check the oil. It don't look too bad. It's he said it has the original motor, original 350, original carburetor, original transmission, all match, numbers matching. Let me see that. I'll take a picture later on. Can't see it. Yeah, you see there 43, that's the color code for citrus green metallic, I believe that's the name. Again, subscribe to the channel. Let me know how to get started fixing this car. I need y'all's help. Like I said, I don't know too much. I know a little bit of body work and a little bit of mechanic, not too much, just probably to get it running.
And then the other ones, we're gonna give it to the neighbors.
Hi, girls.
Hi, hi.
Oh, yeah. There's a car wash, we're gonna keep it clean before we can take it to the house. New project. It's a 1970 Camaro, 3-speed manual, 350. We're giving it a quick wash before we take it to the house, to the garage. The dirt. Got some old body work. I gotta be taking that out, fixing that. Probably buying new fenders.